What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which solar energy is converted into chemical energy, which is then stored in the form of starch. Okay. What happens? Okay. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide is absorbed in the plant and released as oxygen. Glucose is then made.
During photosynthesis, I make a lot of glucose. First, I convert glucose into sucrose to be transported around the leaf. When stored, the sucrose is converted to starch. However, not all of the sucrose is stored. I absorb some minerals from the ground, which I combine with the glucose to make proteins and other complex organic substances. Even though sunlight was needed to make the glucose, during the conversion of glucose, sunlight is not needed. Sites of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the sites of photosynthesis. The chloroplast contains the outer and inner membranes, which are protective.
This is the outer membrane, and the pink one is the inner membrane.
They are protective coverings that keep chloroplast structures enclosed. Next is the stroma. The stroma is a dense fluid within the chloroplast. Is the site of conversion of carbon dioxide to sugar. Next is the thylakoid. It is a flattened sac-like membrane structure. Site of conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Next is the granule. It's a dense layered stacks of thylakoid sites of conversion of light energy to chemical energy.
Okay, and inside the entire chloroplast, chlorophyll is stored. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that absorbs light energy.
The chlorophyll pigments are actually in the thylakoid membrane. And is photosynthesis important? Yes, it is important as it maintains the normal level of oxygen in the atmosphere. One of the byproducts of photosynthesis is oxygen, which living things require to survive on. Thus, this is also the reason why we discourage the destruction of trees, because there is a lack of oxygen in the atmosphere. Next, learning of life either depends on it directly as a source of energy or indirectly as the ultimate source of energy in their food. Photosynthetic organisms serve as the foundation of every ecosystem. In this role, they are referred to as producers. Organisms which consume them are accordingly called consumers. Through this cycle, energy has been passed from one organism to another, and thus all living things depend on photosynthesis for energy. Thank you.